Good morning to everyone. I am M. Bhargavi. I am K. Mani. I am C. Vadika. We are studying in 6th class. Today we prepared a division mission. This is problem box. This is question box. This is reminder box. This is dividend and divisor.
15 divided by 2.
So we keep 15 sticks up to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After that, remove 2 sticks and keep in one cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this how many cups are there? 7. So 7 is quotient and remaining is 1. 1 is reminder. Do you like this? Thank you.